The number one estate planning misstep I see costs families $50,000 or plenty more and months of heartache. And you know what it is? Not having a will or having outdated beneficiary designations. Here's how it can happen. Sarah updates her will after her divorce, yet she forgets to change the beneficiary on her $400,000 401k. She dies, the money went to her ex-husband instead of her children because beneficiary forms override wills. Yes, they do. Her family spent $60,000 in legal fees trying to fight it and lost because beneficiaries do control IRAs, 401ks, 403bs, annuities, life insurance policies, bank accounts with payable on death designations, investment accounts, etc. How can you get around this? Well, let's take an action plan into consideration. Let's list every account with the beneficiary designations on file right now. Let's check who's named as the primary and contingent beneficiaries, and let's update any that are outdated. You're going to review these annually or upon each major life changes, deaths, births, etc., divorce, and new relationships and all of that. Don't let a simple, like seemingly simple, oversight cost your family their inheritance. Do you have this essential document? Check your beneficiaries this weekend. I'm Deborah Morrison, protecting your family's inheritance.